Today we'll be making a traditional Japanese jumping frog. The Japanese word for frog is kairu, which is pronounced in the same way as return. Travellers carry a small frog amulet with the purpose of returning home safely. Right, konnichiwa students. Today we're going to be making a traditional origami jumping frog. This is an ordinary bit of A4 paper. If you've got a printed side, fold like this and make your first fold. Ignore this diagonal line for now. I used that so I could cut my paper into a square. So that's your fold one. And you can see this central line here. Now your fold two is from this corner. You want to fold that and make a nice triangle here, or what I call half a house shape. Just make sure that fold is nice and neat. That's fold one. And then do that on the other side. That is fold two. Now you can see you should get a cross in the middle. Now repeat this on the bottom. So another fold, and do that on the other side so you get two crosses. You can see a cross shape here, and a cross here, and a cross here. Now, you're going to make this, and you want to use your fingers here, push it inside, push the middle inside, and then fold this top bit down so it makes a triangle. Now if it helps, just pinch the inside so you get that pointy edge still, and fold that into a triangle. Like so. And do fold that down. And then repeat that on the bottom. So push the middle. So push that middle. And then I'll bring that down. Like so. So you've got a nice diamond shape now. Now you take one of these flaps and then fold it up like so. See that, and then do that on the other side. You can see that. With this fold, imagine splitting this edge here in half. You want to fold it across and over like this, lining up with this bottom edge here. Really flatten that down. And do this on the other side. And this is called a valley fold. Now we repeat that on the bottom. Get this edge here and fold that up. And you can see this edge here. And this flap here. And we're going to fold that up as well. Now do flatten that out as best you can. So we'll get to here. Now again, repeat exactly what we did before. So this edge here, this little flap here, we're going to fold it over like so. And this one, fold it again. And we should get something. So now we're going to turn this frog over, and you're going to fold this bottom half up of this frog. As much as you can. There we go. Do flatten this out. Now this edge here, you're going to want to fold over and make that line. So here, fold it on top, and then do that on the other side as well. And you're going to see why in a moment. Now, if it's not perfectly straight on the side, you can adjust this a little bit. Now, halfway here, you're going to, at the legs, it's easier to do it this way, flip your frog over and fold that half like this, so you can see the feet almost overlap. Okay, now you're going to turn this over and you're going to fold this bit in half, like so. So the feet will join here. And then you have your jumping frog. This is the traditional one. And if you want to draw eyes, you can. So this is the original introductory frog. And you've got this traditional one, which is really cool as well.